Some evenings, you don't want to hear an engine at all. You just want to be anchored, lights low, and still have power for everything: the coffee maker, the sound system, all of it. The Magellano 25M gives you that. Built by Azimut in Italy. Designed for the kind of trip where the boat handles itself, so you don't have to think about it. You just show up and go. Up on plane fast, then settled into a long, quiet cruise that barely touches the fuel gauge. You get there fast. You stay out longer. And the ride stays smooth the whole way. Transom pivots open. Cockpit turns into a terrace at the waterline. Steps down, and you're in the water in under a minute. No ladder wrestling, no waiting. 2 lounges forward, built for the run into sunset. Flybridge above, sun up top, shade below. Room for the whole group. Battery power runs the boat after dark. No generator hum at anchor. Still on plane when the light turns gold, and still quiet when it doesn't. Below deck, 4 cabins, real beds, room to actually stand. Not where you spend the day, just where the day ends and starts again tomorrow. This is a boat you live on, not just look at. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.